Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create player in FC 26. It's quite easy. Very first thing you need to do is to just head over to the gear icon which you can see at the top. Now here we have the window where we can see the option create player. So just open that. Now you can go with male player or female player depending on your need. I'll just go ahead with the male player. Now on this window you need to pick an avatar that best shows your style. You can customize it in more detail later. The one which I would love to proceed is this one right here. Then you can see the main window where we can able to create the player. You have a couple of options here, like in the info we have the option first name. You can just change that if you like. You can change last name, you can set the nickname if you like. Then you can change the commenter name, like you have a lot of names here. Choose the one which you like. Then in the kit name, let me just rotate the player by using the right stick. So here you can just change the kit name. Then you can change the kit number like this. Okay, underneath of kit number we have the option to select the country or region. So just select your country. Let me just select the letter first. Okay, and just like this you can select your country, you can select the team. Okay, you can choose the birth year, birth month and birthday. Now if we go to the next option, athletic, so here first section we have is body. So by following the vertical scale you can change the height, and by following the horizontal scale you can change the weight. Just select A and just you can easily change the height like this, and the vertical scale is for the height and horizontal scale is for weight. As I said, I would love to go with this one. Okay, now the next section here we have is position. You can change the position to forward, goalkeeper, defender, midfielder. Then you can choose the role, as well as you can change the preferred foot, left or right. The next option here we have is attributes. Here you can change the attack, defending, skill, all this stuff you can change if you like. Okay, now guys, if we move to the next section or next tab, the next tab is for head. Here you need to choose the head. Firstly, let me just rotate the player by using the right stick. Now here we can change the face. Just choose the one which you like. Now the next section is for kit, and this is the most important one, you can say. Like from here you can change the appearance. Like the first is kit fit. Here we have the waist, kit sleeveless, you can just choose like this. Okay, then if we move to the next one, jersey fit, you can just you can set this on tight fit or normal fit. I would personally go with tight fit. Then here if we go to waist fit, similarly you can tuckle in and untucked depending on your preference. Then you can go with the kit sleeves which we saw earlier. Now guys, the next option here is boots and accessories. The one which I would love to go ahead with is this one right here. Next option you have is for gloves and wrist. Personally I'll just go ahead with none, but if you like black, blue, you can just choose that. Next section we have is by the name of animations, and just right here you can change the celebrations, you can change the animations of your player. Like if we go ahead with the goal celebrations, you can choose point sky like this, show respect, like you have a lot of them. Choose the one which you like. Then the next option here we have is set pieces style. You can go ahead with hands on hips, show run, like all the animations of your player will be customized here. So this is how you can customize your player. To save this player, just hit B on your Xbox and circle on PlayStation. Just select the option yes, and yeah, at this point you're good to go. This is exactly how you can create player in FC 26. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.